Production. This is a Woods Gang production. This is a Woods Gang production. Okay, I'm up. I'm tired. I have the mic because I can't even speak loud. Had a real bad night as far as emotionally. Y'all, depression do a thing to you. I have to fight so hard to be level. So, because being too happy and too excited is bad for me, and being too sad and too down is bad for me. But I'm up, getting my blood flowing, getting my heart pumping, and I'm going to start my day. Good morning, everybody. Okay, what I decided to do, or go ahead and get finished, was I noticed some errors on my credit report. And so I'm going back and I have printed my letters and got them notarized so that I could mail my letters off to the credit bureaus and see if they can correct these mistakes. So the good thing about it, what's going on is I have some letters that it kind of handles the legal jargon or legal language, stuff that I don't know, and it's already printed. So all I have to do is just mail them off. So I'm going to hope they fix these errors because it should bring up my credit score just from correcting errors. So, all right, I'll let you guys, of course, know what's going down with the journey, because if I have to send letter 2, I will. All right, guys. Okay, guys, good morning. What I didn't get to do the other day was actually mail off those credit error letters. And so I'm about to do that right now. I just left the library and I'm going to get my notarized letters in this mail. And yeah, that's the most important thing I need to do today. So I'm going to get these all in their envelopes, and then I'm going to be sending them certified. Okay, I got my letters all addressed and everything, and I'm about to head in and send them off certified mail, guys. Come on with me. Hello.
How you doing?
All right, all right.
All right.
Sorry. Okay, I'm gonna just go ahead and get in line, and I think what I need is behind the counter. Okay, I got that done. So now off to the next thing. Actually, one of them I had a mistake on, so I gotta send TransUnion all over again. All over again. Okay, now I don't know what time it actually is, but I'm hungry. So we're gonna go to my favorite place. We're gonna head out to Hot Pots and see what he got on the menu today. That's what we're gonna do. Okay, we at Hot Pots. I'm gonna go ahead and see what's on the menu for today. I went in first, but I had to wait about 15 minutes. He was still getting some stuff done to be ready by 12, and they're open and ready. So let's go see what it's hitting for.
That's good. What else you got? You got macaroni? Corn and pickle, baby. Piece of corn.
All right, hey, how you doing today?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm all right. Can you tell me what we got today?
On today's menu, we got baked chicken, smothered pork chops, hamburger steak and gravy with onions, zucchini squash and onions, string beans, pinto beans, corn on the cob, white rice, yellow rice, and our famous fried chicken.
Okay. Can I get some of the hamburger with some white rice and the gravy on the rice? You having a good day today?
Oh, yes, ma'am. Next. You want one or two?
One is good.
Any other side?
Okay, now I'm about to go in this and see. Because I'm home now. I can go ahead and eat it. I feel good about it. It's going down.